Recording is on.
It is the 25th of February, 2021. WIKISPEED Stand-Up. Go ahead, Lauren.
It's Lawrence Salter. I'm getting a little echo here. This is Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And the past week, I ended up doing a little bit of troubleshooting or getting rid of a block on the charitable status, and actually got some help from people I hadn't heard from in a long time, Milo Wing. So, and I still have to follow up. Yeah, so the coming week, maybe I'll follow up on that. But I may be tied up with stuff I have to do. So, um, blocks, maybe none, except busy. And that's it for me.
Hey, it's Michael Wolchuk in Saskatoon, Canada. Last week I got the meeting video posted. I did some work on the tank level project and found out that the 4-inch box that I thought fit nicely into the neck of my tank does not in fact fit into the tank, into the hole that I have on the top of the tank. I'm not sure how I messed that up exactly. Anyway, I just returned from Home Depot. I picked up another plastic or fiberglass box to try. It is longer and thinner, so hopefully all the parts still fit, and it will have no trouble fitting into the neck of the tank. Mobile inverter, no progress. Sunfounder, no progress. I looked at Joe Justice's Wikipedia entry, and I appear to have writer's block. And I managed to lock myself out of the account somehow. Maybe I typed in the wrong password twice in a row. I don't know. It doesn't want to let me back in either. I requested password reset a couple times, and I haven't made any progress. So I might actually sign up for a new account. Next week, I would like to get something done on the tank level project. I would like to get something done on Joe's WikiSpeed entry or Wikipedia entry. And I have a block in that I don't seem to be motivated, but there's not a whole lot I seem to be able to do about that. And I guess that's about it for me. I would say that Lauren probably hit the wrong button there. We will wait for a couple seconds for him to come back. I guess now there we can go.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yep, I think you hit the wrong button.
Yeah, I did. Okay. So myself, I'm going to give myself a 6 because of a bit of work I did, meeting with Joe, reading the emails and so forth. I'll give the team a 9, and process improvement. Actually, to capitalize a little bit on the activity around all of this stuff, and actually uh, getting all the people who contributed to the thread, or at least one of them, onto the stand up. That would be my process improvement, and that's it for me.
Okay, I am going to give myself a 6. We'll go 8 for the team. And I do not have a process of improvement. Um, I think getting more people on the call is more of a task than a process of improvement. I'm not sure. Anyway, that's it for me.
I agree. Okay. So I think I have a little crosstalk. Oh yeah, yeah. So I do, and I think I want to do the end the recording.
Okay, I will do a little bit of crosstalk before we end.
Okay.
I just ordered my second Starlink system. So
Wow.
I established that the Starlink system will not work up at our cabin because it knows that it's not home. So it is actually geofenced.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Hi. And speaking of bandwidth, is that the reason?
So it will, it is geofenced. It will only work so far from the location that you say your house is. So we took it up to the cabin and it wouldn't work. So filled out a service ticket and tried to get it, can we try it up at the lake and stuff like that. And they got back to me probably 3 days later with the answer, it won't work up at the lake because there's no service there. And even if there was service there, it's geofenced. So
Huh.
2 days after
Interesting.
that, I got an email saying, hey, looks like we're going to be servicing the area that you asked about. So we can't do it under the same account because it's a beta and there's a limit of one per email address. So my wife signed up for it. Sounds like it's
Okay.
going to be late summer, early fall.
Wow. So
So
that's good and bad. Good news and bad. Bad news
uh,
is you need another account.
well, bad news is that they're not under the same account and that I need two of them. But
And what if you said you moved? What do they
they
do if you've moved?
they have a frequently asked questions about moving, and there's apparently some forms you can fill out, but it doesn't appear that you can move every weekend.
Okay. Wow. So
They're expanding the beta.
and yeah, right. And can you suspend the account for
Yeah,
a seasonal
there is
residence?
a frequently asked questions about that, and apparently you can. I didn't get into the details. It's
Yeah.
I expect that there are some fees, but it is something that they cover in their frequently asked
Okay.
questions.
Good.
Okay, we can shut her down and then have rest of the
Okay.
crosstalk if you like. One moment.